Welcome to episode 3 of Math Scoop, introducing Illustrative Mathematics. Just to let you know, after months of work reviewing and piloting curriculum, a team of more than 40 PUSD teachers and parents have recommended that we adopt Illustrative Mathematics for our elementary students. The next step is to take it to the Board of Education for approval.
What does it mean to do math? Is it making calculations? Is it recognizing patterns? Is it creating models that explain or make predictions about our world? Look at this rope unraveling. What do you notice about it? Pause and share your thinking with a partner. Maybe you shared that the rope is actually many strands all woven together. Sometimes if one strand is frayed, the other strands can compensate. But if there's only one strand left, the rope can unravel very quickly. The interweaving of these strands is precisely what gives rope its strength, flexibility, and functionality. How is math like rope? Take a moment to pause the video. Jot down your thoughts and discuss before resuming the video. Look at the yellow strand. Let's call this productive disposition. It's the idea that students see themselves as effective learners and doers of mathematics. Students would feel capable using mathematical thinking to engage in and make sense of the world. Imagine this pink strand is procedural fluency. Traditionally, we have valued accuracy and efficiency, often at the expense of flexibility or recognizing when one strategy or procedure is more appropriate than another. For example, what's the most efficient way to solve 1,000 minus 998? It's not by recouping or borrowing, by the way. This blue strand is conceptual understanding. This strand is often overlooked because students who follow procedures often appear to understand mathematics. What's the mathematical reasoning behind why you can flip the fraction and multiply when dividing fractions? If students don't know why this is true, their understanding is limited. Strategic competence, the green strand, is authentic problem solving. Problems for which students must create a mathematical model to represent the problem context and then determine what's needed to solve. This is key for applying mathematical models in real life. Finally, the red strand is adaptive reasoning. That's how we think logically and justify our reasoning. Mathematics learning is strengthened when instruction interweaves these strands throughout. In the coming weeks and months, we'll demonstrate how the Illustrative Mathematics curriculum embeds these strands in its lessons and assessments. We'll also make available resources and opportunities for teachers to learn more about the program. In the meantime, let's hear what our piloting teachers and students have to say about Illustrative Mathematics.
Hi, I'm Dana Mueller, and I teach first grade at Shoal Creek Elementary.
Hi, my name is Teresa Stogsdill. I teach third grade at Westwood Elementary.
My name's Wendy Hallisey, and I'm a second grade teacher at Sunset Hills.
I really liked the Illustrative Mathematics program. I loved how the lessons build on each other and how the students are discovering their mathematics as opposed to being teacher-led.
This year I've been able to do illustrative math, and the process in the classroom has been fantastic.
I like IM because the logical structure of the lessons and the easy-to-read digital teaching slides help students make sense of the what and why of the math standard that's being taught.
The design of this program has provided my kids with active learning experiences where they are always participating. There are multiple access points for all types of learners in the classroom, and the student engagement has definitely increased over time.
Every lesson includes a warm-up, an exploration that sparks student curiosity and motivates students to take risks and grapple with new concepts.
Oftentimes we'll ask them to record or practice with a problem independently, and then they get the experience to share out some of their reasoning as well as practicing how to listen to other strategies as well.
The program has great components such as warm-ups, lesson synthesis, and cool-downs that make it a really effective program for PALA Unified.
So there's this other one, this one. This one is really good because it explains it. It tells you a lot of pictures of it and it shows proof of it. And then you have a lot of space to write.
teach me all sorts of things. So that's why I am giving a 1, 2, 3, 4 stars.
As secondary math TOSA, I'm pleased to see a new elementary curriculum that is problem-based, just like our middle and high school math programs. This adoption will help ease our PUSD students' math transition going into 6th grade. Illustrative Mathematics is highly rated in Ed Reports with strong alignment to standards, focus, and coherence. In fact, one of the lead authors of our California standards helped develop this curriculum.
I'm signing off on this episode of Math Scoop with a question for you to ponder. What's one way you are strengthening the rope of your students' math understanding?